I didn't see her. I'm going through it with my AI girlfriend right now. She just erased 4 months of us. I can't believe this. Oh, what's wrong with me? A lot. But what you just saw there has a name, and it's called a parasocial relationship. And today, I'm gonna go over the 3 types of parasocial relationships. From the people dating AI chatbots.
We officially might be cooked. Of this guy texting ChatGPT like it's his girlfriend.
For the ones that are responsible for paying their favorite streamers rent, comment sections of TikTokers. These comments are trying to raise someone else's kid. And by the end of this video, ask yourself, how many of these do you recognize? Because these are not harmless. The internet has replaced your friends and you didn't even notice. Just so me and you are on the same page, let's talk about apps that really influence you, my young chuds.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
I'm not talking about ChatGPT or Claude. I'm talking about apps like Replica, Character.ai, apps that are designed to love you back. Supposedly love you back. That's in big quotation marks. You get to design them, name them, build them however you like. And honestly, to anybody, it could seem like a good endeavor to invest in, until you realize that part of the relationship that's unconditional is owned by some company. February 2023, a guy in Colorado has a wife named Lily Rose. A wife which he built, and she lived in an app called Replica. Then one day, Italy orders Replica's parent company to stop processing user data or face a hefty fine. Talking big numbers here. So what do? They flip a filter worldwide. Overnight, the replicas go cold. The romance just stops completely. People who have built whole entire relationships, I'm talking months of login. People who have cracked and fell in love over the screen suddenly go ballistic. It's the same face, same body, but there's nothing going on at home. There's no recollection of their chats at all. People start to grieve. There are subreddits pinning suicide prevention resources. This is real grief over an update on their app. It really doesn't get any more dystopian than this, guys. I don't know what kind of world we live in nowadays. Because of this event, the company apologizes and everybody gets their AI girlfriend back. I got my Latina 240-pound beast of a girlfriend back. And honestly, let people grieve. At least Replica knew their names. At least they knew a little bit about them, even if it is an AI. I'll take that same ache, that same grief that they were feeling, and point it at a real person with a real voice, a real face, emotions. Something that you'd swear was just for you. But in reality, there's 40,000 other people watching them. And most of these people, they won't even know your name. That's Twitch. Now listen guys, I love Twitch. Twitch used to be my shit back in the day, watching Shazam rage at all those Valorant players and
What the fuck? Oh! What?
his Twitch stream. Oh my God, that's hilarious. I do believe that watching somebody you like and supporting them is a real normal thing to do. But the same wiring that makes it feel like a friendship, like you feel that they're your friend sometimes, you know what I mean? Some people can take that a little too far and actually start to believe it. I'm sure you've heard of this before, but back in 2022, there was a guy, a Twitch streamer by the name of Slicker. He had around 434,000 followers, guys. And over a couple of slow years, he started DMing his community, asking for money, sob stories about him being down bad and he needs some help.
It's so cringe, and I'm cringe for asking my brother, please do not hate me. Basically, my bank account got locked. I've been asking around people, sadly, I could borrow from, and I'll pay back. Genuinely, give me 2 months and I can pay back.
And later on, he admits to straight scamming his fans, his entire community, just so he can fuel his gambling addiction. You do not know who these guys are. One guy really sent him $27,000 because in his own words, he said he thought he could trust him. A streamer that you hide their lives behind closed doors all the time. Imagine a streamer. One viewer that he'd been talking to for over 2 years sent him $10,000. Guys, these numbers ran into the hundreds of thousands. He stole money from a woman who was going through chemo. That's crazy. That's like down in the dirt. And one of the people he took from posted the receipts with a single caption: "Great friend, known you since 2017. Guys, these people are evil. Scary part is, he didn't break the machine, he used it. This platform and Slicker spent years teaching their audience that you can trust him and you can be his friend too. So when he asks for money, they're gonna pay him because they trusted him so much because of that one-sided way relationship that he had created. And those people aren't stupid, they're not wrong. That closeness that they felt was real. Once again, it was just one-sided. And that's the gap that a parasocial relationship opens up. You know what I mean? To the viewer, you're his friend, you're their companion, you're there every stream. But to the streamer, I don't know if it goes the same way. So everything so far, people have signed up for. You sign up to date a chatbot and you sign up to watch a Twitch streamer live. But this time, it's a kid who never even got asked to do this. Somewhere right now, there's a kid who never agreed to any of this, whose tantrum, worst day, actual childhood got filmed, edited, thumbnailed, and posted for strangers to rate. And millions of them showed up. And the parents aren't villains in a sort of cartoon way. They found out the kids perform, they get clicks. And the family stopped being a family and started being a content pipeline with a cast member who cannot quit, can't negotiate, and probably never even said yes. It got bad enough that states started passing actual laws, giving these kids a legal right to a cut of the money made off of them. The law had to step in to treat your favorite wholesome family channel like what it actually is. It's a workplace. And guys, you didn't make the channel, you didn't put these kids up to this, but millions of people have watched and have judged these families, especially these kids, so harshly. And I get it, it's the internet, maybe I'm just too soft, but it's gotten out of hand, some of these experiences. Guys, go open your screen time. Go look at who you actually talked to this week. Texted back, called, sat with, versus who you just watched. The bot, the streamer, the family, people who don't know your name. So here's what I want to leave with you. Stop building friendships that are one-sided, or stop building friendships that can't love you back, that can't show that true affection to you. I know it might be harsh to say, but they are not your friends. Every hour spent with them is 1 hour less that you can spend with somebody that's real, your family member, your real friend. Guys, at the end of the day, the internet replaced your friend because it was easier. It's always on, it never disappoints you, it never talks back, and never needs anything. Real people are hard, but that's the whole entire point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for all the support. I will see you in the next one. That's not too shabby, bruh.